Hello, and welcome back to our Vytal tutorial series. These tutorials cover how to set up your direct-to-patient e-commerce program using Vytal's website builder. If you haven't gotten started yet, make sure to check out the other Vytal tutorials to get things going. In this tutorial, we'll explain how to add a headline to your website. First, make sure you're on the home page section of the website. To do that, click the navigation button in the top left corner of the website preview and select Home. Once you're on the home page, go to the Content section and click Lead Block with Image. Vytal is a modular website builder with many options for how to include information about your product. The lead block is arguably the most important section because it's there to capture your audience's attention. Once you've clicked into this view, you'll have the option to add a headline. Your headline can be as simple as the name of your product or what it does, or as creative as a fun, quirky joke, a call to action, or a rhetorical question you want your customers to think about. Either way, once you've added the headline, you'll want to add a little more information in the lead introduction section below. Next, you can adjust the button text. Try playing around with options like Order Now, Learn More, or Become a Healthier You. And finally, you can add an image. The image should be eye-catching, exciting, and convey the value that your product or medication brings to your customer. Click the back button to go back to the main page. Now, you've completed the first block of your Vytal website. In the next video, we'll go over how to add the critical product details that educate your customers about your offering. Come join us again to learn more about creating your own direct-to-patient program.